I built a professional website using only Hostinger AI. Watch the result. Step 1. Choose your industry and goals, then let the AI suggest pages. Step 2. Pick a template. I chose a clean, modern layout in seconds. Step 3. Customize copy and images automatically generated by Hostinger AI. Live screen recording. Watch the AI populate content and design in real time. Before and after, compare the starter template to the refined AI-driven site. Polish. Tweak colors, fonts, and layout with one-click edits from the editor. B-roll. Testing responsiveness. Preview on desktop, tablet, and mobile. Mobile preview. The site adapts instantly, navigation and forms fully responsive. Final checks. SEO suggestions and performance optimizations applied by Hostinger AI. Publish. One-click deploy to a custom domain, SSL included in live. Result. Professional website launched in minutes. Try Hostinger AI and save hours.